Ever wonder what's actually happening inside your muscles when you work out? It's not just magic. It's a three-step process of breaking down and building back stronger. First, when you lift weights or challenge your muscles, you're creating tiny microscopic tears in the muscle fibers. Now this sounds bad, but it's actually the spark that ignites growth. Second, your body senses this damage and goes into full-on repair mode. It sends healing cells that not only patch up those tears, but they overcompensate, rebuilding the fibers thicker and stronger than before. That's the secret. It's adapting to be ready for the next challenge. But here's the part that most people forget. This repair process can't happen without the right fuel and the right amount of rest. You need protein to give your body the actual building blocks for new muscles. And most of this rebuilding process happens when you're sleeping. So if you're not getting enough sleep, you're literally robbing yourself of gains. So the ultimate formula for muscle growth: challenge your muscles, feed your body, and get your rest. Now you know the secrets.